Example 8 says we should express 1008 as a product of its prime factors using the division table. So if we draw the table, 1008 you divide by 2. 2 into 1 cannot, 2 into 10 is 5, 2 into 0 is 0, and 2 into 8 is 4. 2 can still go. 2 into 5 is 2 times remainder 1. 2 into 10 is 5 times, and 2 into 2 into 4 is 2 times. 2 can still divide. 2 into 2 is 1. 2 into 5 is 2 remainder 1. This becomes 12. 2 into 12 is 6. 2 can still divide. 2 into 12 is 6. 2 into 6 is 3. 2 can no longer divide, and 63 is not a prime number because 3 can divide. 3 into 6 is 2, and 3 into 3 is 1. 3 can still divide 3 times. 3 into 21 is 7, and 7 can divide itself 1 because 3 can no longer divide, and 7 is a prime factor. So that 1008 can be expressed as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 7, which is equal to 2 raised to the power of 4 times 3 squared times 7. So in index form, 1008 can be expressed as 2 raised to the power of 4 times 3 raised to the power of 2 times 7 as a product of its prime factors. Kindly like my videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. While I recommend that you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall now take the next exercise on prime factor.